Once you have built your site, posted the offer and all relevant graphics, sales copy, and links on the respective pages, it's time to get traffic to your site. After all, not much good will come of your work to post the offer and all relevant elements of it on your website if no one sees it. You need traffic, something that many new internet marketers and even some more seasoned ones overlook when building their online businesses. An important credo to remember: you don't have a business if you don't have traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood of your business. It's also important to note that you need quality traffic, ones that will be interested in your offer. Many new internet marketers fall under the impression that all traffic is equal, but that's not the case. Traffic won't mean much to your site and your business if they have no interest in what you offer, because it won't lead to any subscribers to your lists and any customers to your offers. Fortunately, there are many ways to get quality traffic to your offers. Below are just some of the ways to do it: blogging, viral marketing, i.e. word of mouth, online SEO, search engine optimization, ranking highly in the search engines, social media, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Snapchat, Google+, etc. PPC, pay-per-click, paying for traffic to come to your site when they click your link listed in the sponsored post sections of Google, Bing, Yahoo, Facebook, etc. Forum marketing, email marketing. The above methods are just a few of the ways in which you can get quality traffic to your site. The overall key is to get the word out about your offer and have it spread around the internet so that others learn about it. This will especially be effective if people buy your offer, like it, then recommend it to others, as most of today's consumers tend to buy things that their friends and family recommend. Thus, it is critical that you start promoting your brand, site, and offers as soon as possible. Every conceivable and legal way you can think of, you should utilize, at least at the beginning. Once you have an idea of what traffic methods are working for you and what ones aren't, you can concentrate more of your time and efforts on those traffic methods that are bringing subscribers to your list, visitors to your site, and customers to your offers. Note that not all traffic methods work for all offers. Some traffic methods will work better for some sites and offers than others. This is normal. The key is finding out which methods will work best to bring quality traffic to your offers, then ramping up your efforts using those methods. This is how you will gain subscribers, customers, and a better reputation.